friends, welcome back. It's been a while since I filmed a video, but I have a mystery box from EpicCosplayWigs. They were having their Black Friday sale, and naturally I had to take advantage of it. Do I need more wigs? No. Did I buy a bunch of pink wigs? Yes, I did. So, let's get into this. The blind boxes come with 3 wigs. You get to pick a color and everything, so I chose pink, and they're so pretty. I like that I got a good variation of colors, and there's 3 different lengths, which is cool. So I'm going to open up the first one. I believe this is the shortest one. This is, I was hoping it'd give me a color, but it's just numbers. I'm pretty sure this is the Princess Pink Mix wig, because I've gotten one of those before, and it looked quite similar. We have a short little bob. The bangs on it are really cool. I like the two-tone colors. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but I think it's really cute. Obviously, they'll need to be trimmed a bit, but I think she's very cute. So according to the website, these wigs are the B-grade wigs, so they're the ones they're used for product photos, or they're just not up to the A+ quality standards of the main ones. But you know, this is pretty nice. I think this is pretty nice. And for 30 bucks for all these wigs, I'm very happy. I'll try them all on at the end, but right now I'm just gonna go through them. Wig number 2. I think this one's my favorite. I really like the color of it. Once again, I don't know the exact name of it, but this is the light pink color. It's Fusion Vanilla Pink in the style Persephone. Oh, she's long. I have a wig cap stuck to me. Oh, she's very long. 10 bucks for all this hair? I cannot be mad about that. Oh, she is so pretty. This is my new favorite wig. I've already decided, guys. This is my new favorite wig. She is so soft. She is gorgeous. Once again, bangs need some trimming, but don't all wigs. Oh my gosh. I love her. I'm speechless. This is so pretty. This wig is gorgeous. And it was $10. She's beautiful. Look at that color. I love that. I want my hair to look like this in real life. That would be so pretty. All right, third wig. My cat is attacking the packaging. All right, the third one is this magenta wig. What color are you? Doesn't say. This is another long one. Oh, no, she's the medium length one. I guess that makes sense. But she's also very curly, which we love. This is a pigtail wig! Oh my gosh! Cute! It's so cute. I love pigtail wigs. And they're nice, they're very thick. These are some very thick pigtails, which I love that. This wig seems smaller than the other ones, but I have a tiny head, so that should be fine. Yeah, and the pigtails can come off, so this could also just be a short bob wig, which is very nice. But it's so cute. I feel like I'm just calling them all cute, but I really like them. The long one's my favorite, but I think this one's my second favorite. I don't know, I don't really need a short pink wig, but I do like the first one. All right, so now I'm going to try them on. So here's the short one. I actually like it a lot more than I thought I would. It kind of has a weird bump at the top, but that can be fixed with a little styling. I'm not styling these right now, obviously. I'm just first impressions trying them on. But I think this is so cute. Obviously the bangs need to be trimmed a little bit, but I really like it. I like the length and I love the color. I think the color of it is so pretty. I love the little white bit in the bangs. I think it's so cute and unique. So yeah, this is the first one. I really like it. I like all of them. I just like getting new wigs, so I'm very excited right now, but it looks very cute and I'm surprised. Let me know if I should keep it straight or if I should try curling it. I'm tempted to see how a short curly wig would look. I think that would be kind of cute. Let's move on to the next one. So here's the pigtail wig. I think it's very cute. You know, I think the short one actually beat this one out in terms of my favorites, but I still really like it. It was a bit messy putting it on, but I've had that with pigtail wigs before just because there's so much hair. Once again, bangs definitely need a trim. They're very much in my face. But it's really cute. I really like this color. I think it's very pretty and very cute. And I've said cute at least 17 times in this video already, but I don't have better words apparently. So yeah, I really like the curls. They look nice. Obviously I need to brush them a bit, but in terms of curly wigs, it seems to be holding its curls quite nicely. I like that the bangs frame the face. I'm gonna trim them a little bit, obviously. I'm curious what this will look like without the pigtails, so I'm just going to unclip that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, that's adorable. All right, new favorite wig just dropped. Here we go. I do have a cosplay idea for this one too, potentially, which is very good. That's super cute. I've actually dyed my hair like this, and it was about this length before. So that's very funny. But yeah, it's very cute. And I like that it can be multiple lengths. Oh, and also with these, it could just be a single ponytail too if I wanted it to be. If I clip it up there. There we go. 3-in-1 wig. Can't go wrong with that. All right, I'm gonna try on the last one, which I am the most excited for. And here's the third one. Oh my gosh. Look at my cat. Tux. Hey. What are you doing? Anyway, this is the third one. It's so pretty. I feel like a Barbie fairy tale doll, like from one of the old movies. I can't get over it. It's so soft. I just want to keep like petting it. I will say the hair is a bit sparse right here, but that's nothing that can't be fixed with a little bit of styling. I'll probably pull the bangs forward and just cover it up like that. Let me just show you how long this wig is. Hold on. Look at this. It's so long. I love it. It's so pretty. It's very fluffy. I will say I think this one was the most tangled. I keep like running my fingers through knots in it and stuff, but it's so pretty. I love the color. This is definitely my favorite color out of all the wigs that I've gotten. But yeah, so those are my wigs. My cat is directly in front of my camera. Do you want to say something? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You heard something outside. Ah! You stepped on my wig. But anyway, that is where I'm going to end the video. I am very, very impressed for a $30 blind box. These are great quality. At least from what I've seen so far, none of them have like major imperfections or anything, which I love. Nothing can't be fixed with a bit of styling. The colors are gorgeous, and I already have a couple ideas for characters I could cosplay with these. If you have any other ideas for characters I could do, please drop them in the comments, because I always love seeing suggestions, and it might give me an idea I didn't think of. But I'm going to end the video there. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!